Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're recently subscribed, thank you. My name is Dana. I do everything on an extremely tight budget, and today I don't really have my pretty little my colored little lines, but I'm gonna do a very simple budget for you, mainly because I've been so busy. I feel like every single day I'm doing something and I don't really have time to film, and so I really want to get this out there for you because before I know it, it's gonna be my next paycheck and then I'll miss 2 weeks. So I just wanted to go ahead and get this out there. Plus I am leaving in a little bit to go on a girls trip. Yay! It was unplanned. They at first was like, we're not going, we don't have the money, and I was like, alright, me neither. And then they're like, hey, by the way, we're all going. So it's for their birthdays, so I'm gonna go with them. I'm gonna pull the money out of somewhere, probably my income taxes, but for right now I am focusing on my July paycheck. I did get paid on the 1st, so this is gonna be the 1st to the 16th. I got paid less than normal because even though I'm there 5 days a week, they are cutting my hours. They're cutting everyone's hours. So I got paid a total of $847, which is a lot less than what I'm used to, but it's okay. It's alright. I will pull through it. So let's see. I'm gonna bring this there. I know that there's like a whole bunch of shadows. I like cannot get this stuff right for some reason, but I'm gonna do my best. So for my rent is $480 every single month. I do get Section 8. That is the only reason why that is so cheap. Can you even see that, guys? Let me see. Alright, so I just switched out this pen. I feel like you couldn't see that. So I got paid $480. Or no, sorry. My rent is $480. I do have a parking fee. To park is $25. Okay, my Amazon is $7. This is literally the only thing I have now is Amazon, and I'm never getting rid of this for the simple fact that now it's half price for me because I'm low income. But also, I don't know what's going on with like my local Walmarts and stuff, but it's so hard to find litter boxes and just like basic things lately. So I have been doing a lot of Amazon shopping. So I'm definitely keeping that. And then I do have a bank fee, which I hate. But it is $7. So for my kitties, they have to eat. So they are going to be getting $10. And then for gas, I do $20 a week. This is a bi-weekly budget. I'm not sure if I said that already, but I do bi-weekly budgeting because I get paid every other week. So I have been using $20 every single week in gas because gas is over $3. So it's crazy. I literally only go to work and back. It's a 15-minute drive, but it's costing me $20 a month, or sorry, $20 a week. For food, this is $100. Now, because I did get my income taxes, I seriously haven't even budgeted that out yet. I got it last month, and it's kind of just sitting there. I have like $6 grand just sitting in the bank. So every time I try to make a budget for it though, like something happens, like they have plumbing issues, and then my landlord tried to charge us for it and it was $150, and I'm just like, I don't know if I gotta pay that or not. But if I do, then that's gonna have to come out of there. My awesome neighbors downstairs, you know, the ones that like to blast music, and she is always setting off the fire alarm. Like, no hate, but she doesn't know how to adult. And so like right now she has indoor Christmas lights strung up outside, and it's been raining every single day, attached to an extension cord that is going through her window. So this lady is like 45 years old. And no hate to like people who are like in their 40s, because I am almost there, so I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying like it's little things, like every time you cook you set off fire alarms because you don't know how to cook. You're stringing electrical outlets outside for indoor use in the middle of a rainstorm. Like, who does that? Who does that? Like, she should know. And so when my landlord was like, look, someone is flushing paper towels down the toilet, I was like, I've lived here for a year and a half and you've had absolutely no issues with me. She's lived here for maybe 4 months and there's constant issues. So you need to readjust that, and I'm not paying you $150. But if my Section 8 caseworker says I have to pay that, then I'm paying it, because I'm not trying to jeopardize my Section 8 for nothing and no one. So yeah, but with my income taxes, I did go out and I spent like, oh my god, like $300 worth of food. So this is okay for now, but this budget is definitely going to have to, it's gonna have to change. So, because food is, it's insane right now. For house, $10. For my house, I know that I need laundry soap. So with all of that, I'm gonna try to make these two high priorities. Sorry, this is paint, guys, gold paint. But for, let's see, for my very high priorities this month, or moving forward I should say, one of them is going to be my vacation, because we're going in October. This is my daughter's my daughter's birthday present. This is our vacation, like our huge vacation for the year. This is pretty much, you know, the only time we get to go away. So this one right here, it's going to be a huge priority. And then the dollar sinking funds, or the dollar funds, I don't know what I'm calling it yet, but I'm going to set aside $20 every single paycheck just so I could do more stuffing in my envelopes, because I really want to save, guys. You don't even know. So $20 is a high priority, and then I am going to try to be doing $100 every single paycheck for vacation, because it did come pretty quick. So we're just going to go to Universal. I've cut out Disney. I've cut out SeaWorld. And so the only thing that we got right now is Universal, and I might be bringing my daughter to Discovery Cove so that she could swim in the dolphins. Like, I really want to do that, but it's like $900. So I don't know yet if this is going to be an option, or if that's going to be an option, but I am working on the Universal for us. And so let's see how much. I have like no money this month, which is fun. So $847. Okay, so I did it wrong the first time, but I have $48 left for my sinking funds, which is it's like not a lot of money, but is what I got. So back to school. They're going back to school next month. It happens so quick. Like, that's ridiculous how fast it happened. But and then this one right here, I'm gonna put $5 toward the AC. I think instead of getting an AC, I'm gonna get her a stage fan, because we have had nothing but rainstorms and I haven't even really used my air conditioner. So I think that's going to be changing. Well, actually, you know what? This is AX. So AC, that's what I was talking about down there. Okay, so this AX is actually my son. This is for his clothes. My daughter is gonna get this. They are not getting allowances because I have been yelling at them every single day to do their chores, and yeah, I'm not budgeting for that. So my emergency fund is going to be getting $5. Laptop is going to be getting $5. Okay, so my car is actually going to be getting $10 which I am trying to maintain my car right now. They told me my car was only going to last a week and that I needed to sell it and get rid of it, and it's been like 8 months. So I'm just like all about maintenance right now, and I'm hoping that like oil changes and, you know, fixing like random things are gonna help me, because I rather spend $3,000 to fix my car than not have a car because I can't find one under like $4,000. So the AC, like I said, is going to be getting $5. Disney is going to be getting $5. I did move that cruise. It saved me $200, which is awesome. But it's going to be in January now. My birthday. Yay. Birthday cruise. And then family is going to be getting the remaining $3. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 48. So this is extremely simple. I have to go get ready to go. It is now 8:30. But I hope that this was very, very simple for you guys. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. I was hoping for under 10 minutes. But I will see you guys later, okay? Now, I hope that you guys have a really good day and that you stay safe, because this world is going insane. I don't really know what is going on, but I hope that everybody is safe out there, you know. But have a good day. Bye.